Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Louisa. You are watching Loulou C'est la vie, and for today's video I am going to review a new gel. A new gel for me, not a new gel in the market, because this gel I believe has been around for a while. It is the alcohol-free defining gel from Biotera. I found this gel on a YouTuber's channel called Curly Susie. I hope you guys are familiar to her channel because she's awesome. She just had a new baby. If ever she sees this video, congratulations, Susie. I will link her channel in the description box. She has very similar hair to me. She's been using this gel and she has really good result. Also, the other reason why I really wanted to use this gel is there's so many reasons why. The first one is because Susie's using it on her channel and looks good on her hair. The second reason is because the price point is good. We are spending about $17 to $18 on a 32-ounce bottle. What? And then the third is because I'm looking for a dupe to my Ouidad Advanced Climate Control gel that I love so much, but that is so expensive. It is a $25 for an 8-ounce bottle, I think. So yeah, I've been using this gel for about 2 weeks now, I want to say, maybe a little bit less. I bought this on Amazon and I will link it in my Amazon store, which is in the description box below if you are interested in purchasing this bottle. Now, for today's styling, I am going to use the Rizzo's Curl Defining Cream. This is the end of my traveling size samples that I bought months ago. I'm trying to finish it so I can reorder, and then I'm going to combine that with my Biotera Alcohol-Free Defining Gel. The styling technique that I'm going to use is the clumping method. I am going to try to do it without putting my head upside down. Alright, with no further ado, let's get this party started. Of course, as usual, if you follow me, you know the deal. I am going to fast forward through the styling technique because, you know, I have a whole video on how I style my hair nowadays, and I will link it here for you guys. So yeah. Alright, now that I'm done detangling and wetting my hair, I'm gonna put the leave-in conditioner. That my hair is nicely clumped together, I am going to apply the Biotera gel. I'm going to put a generous amount. That's just round one. I'm not sure if that focuses. That's round one, okay? Alright, I am all said and done with applying the product and styling my hair. I am not going to plump my hair up today because I don't have time. I have to leave very soon. So instead, I'm just going to scrunch the excess product with my microfiber towel right now on a regular day, I usually leave the product in my hair for a little bit. Either I plump my hair up with a net, or I just let it be for a little bit before I take the product out of my hair. I feel like it gives time for the product to really sink into the hair shaft, but today I don't have time for that. So I'm just gonna take out the excess product. Hi my loves, I am done taking out the excess product. My hair is still very wet. I'm going to diffuse my hair right now, and then I'll come back in front of you to show you the end result. See you in a second. Alright my loves, I'm done diffusing my hair. This is the end result. I'm not mad at it, you know. Looks pretty good. Let me show you the back. Okay, so let me talk about the pros and cons of this amazing gel. First, I'm gonna start with the cons because I don't have a lot of them, so let's get them out the way right away. First con is that the hold on this gel is not very strong. They rated a 3 out of 5, so I want to say it's a medium hold, right? This will not give you a cast. If you're big on getting a cast on your hair, this is not really going to do the job. If you're like me and you don't really care about a cast, this will do a decent job at holding your curls throughout the day. That's if it's not raining and windy all day long. If it's a regular, normal weather, calm day, this will do a good job at keeping things together. The other con is, I want to say, the ingredient list, but again, I am not a professional in the ingredient list. Not as natural as the Kinky Curly gel that I tried previously. It has a lot of nice and natural product in there, like they're using the bamboo extract for the hold and the elasticity. They have shea butter extract, they have coconut oil, they have sweet almond. Those are in the first few ingredients, but then they have a bunch of stuff that I don't know how to pronounce it. So that's another thing. Now, it's a gel, and to be honest, the ingredient list on this bottle is shorter than the ingredient list on my Ouidad Advanced Climate Control gel that I love so much. And at least the first 10 ingredients, I kind of know what they are a little bit. Can't really say that for the Ouidad one. Let's move on to the pros. It is a lightweight gel, therefore your hair is not weighted down when you use this gel, especially if you use a heavier leave-in conditioner. You can still be putting a lot of this gel and it's not going to really weight your hair down more. And also, because it's a lightweight gel, your diffusing time is not, you know, crazy like it could be with, let's say, the Kinky Curly curl casted gel that when I love it, but when I diffuse my hair with this gel, it takes forever. Another pro is that you can mix it with pretty much all of your leave-in conditioners. So for this video, I mixed it with the Rizos curls, and you see that I get a really nice result, no residue, nothing. But in the past few weeks, I've been pairing it with the Rockin' Ringlets from JC Curl, the Love Your Curl all-in-one leave-in conditioner, the Kinky Curly Not Today leave-in conditioner. You know, those are pretty much all the leave-in conditioner I'm kind of rotating between, and I've never had a problem, any chemical reaction, any weighted down hair, any bad hair day, actually, which is pretty cool. So, yay! And then the last pro I want to say is that you get a lot of product for your money. This is a 32-ounce bottle, and I paid between $17 and $18 on Amazon. Again, the product will be listed in my Amazon store in the description box below if you want to grab yourself a bottle. Like I said earlier, my favorite gel of the moment is the Ouidad Advanced Climate Control gel, and this gel cost me $25 to $26 for an 8-ounce bottle. I want to say this is a great dupe to this gel, so yay. And also when you do styling techniques like the clumping method, you tend to use a lot more products on your hair, and you tend to go through your product a lot faster. So when you pay a 8-ounce bottle $25, you know, it's kind of a all right, my loves, I am done with this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below if you tried this gel. How did you like it? Let me know your experience with it, and let me know if you know of any stronger version of this gel. Maybe Biotera has a 4 out of 5 hole gel or something like that. Let me know. You know, we never know. All right, my loves, I'm gonna go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you want to share your curly girl journey with me, with us, feel free to send me an email right here. In this email, you need to give me at least 2 good photos of your curls. You don't have to show me your face before you started the journey, and a recent one, and make sure to date them. Give me a short text about your journey, and finally let me know what products you like to use today and what styling technique you like to do to your hair. Voila, bon, but I am done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if I didn't say that already. I will see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, my loves, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.